Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your Fliki account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to Google. Now in the Google search bar, search for Fliki. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It is the official site of Fliki.ai. Now, click Login, which you can see on the top right hand corner, and it will lead you to this login portal where you can log in with your Google, Facebook, LinkedIn or your email. So just go ahead and click Continue with Google. Click on one of your email addresses, press Continue, and then you can sign in to your Fliki account quite easily. This was a video on how you can log into your Fliki account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.